Hello everyone. I love to build stuff out of wood, but I don't have the space for a table saw. So my circular saw sees a fair bit of use. That said, a lot of stuff like repetitive cuts are really annoying to do. It takes a hell of a long time to mark the positions, set up the gauge, clamp it in place, set up the stock, cut, repeat, and so on. So what I did was build a small guide to help me do the stuff, like the one you can see on the left of your screen. To begin with, take two pieces of wood and clamp them on top of each other at an offset. Don't worry about the distance so far. It just needs to be longer than the distance between the side of the base of your saw and the blade. Then start drilling some holes, two large ones at the sides where your track will be, and smaller holes for your zero positions. You don't really need these, and in fact I haven't really used them, but I thought it might have been a good idea, but in retrospect it's just more drilling for nothing. The idea behind these is that you can use these to register your guide to a particular position, but in reality it's just as easy to use your sliding rule and set the position. As you can see, it is a whole lot of drilling. What I'm doing here is hogging out the material for the tracks in which the bolts will run. And as you can see, I made the first hole in the wrong position because I'm an idiot, but it happens, it's not going to harm the piece. Basically right now I'm just removing material to make it easier to chisel out later. At this point, just try not to damage the edge of the first hole you drilled, because that's the stop position for the zero position. We'll be registering off that later. Okay, once you've hogged out enough material, make a few knife lines. And again, these will help with the chiseling. And once those are done, clamp everything down solidly and get your chisels out. What we're looking here for here is a channel that is wide enough to let your bolt run through without any problems, but at the same time not having a lot of play from side to side. So that should keep the top of the guide running along the channel smoothly. Okay, as you can see, I made a mess of the back when I was drilling, but that's okay, it still works. Just means that I have to do a whole lot more filing. And there you go. Now, at this point it's a good idea to check to make sure that the bolt can run smoothly and you don't have a lot of lateral play. Next I'm going to take the baseboard and drill some recesses in the bottom so that the head of the bolt doesn't stick past it. That's what allows the base to sit on the table without the bolts getting in the way. And I'm putting in the bolts. And once they're set, I'm just going to put the top on it. And I'm going to lock it in the 0 position. Next I'm going to use the circular saw to cut off any excess from the base. This means that the side of the base would be flush with the blade anytime the top is in the 0 position. From there I can gauge, for example, if I want a 5mm cut, I just need to move the top 5mm out from here. And just another check to make sure that everything is aligned. Yep. Okay, here I'm just drilling the holes for the 1 centimeter positions. Like I said, I probably skip this if I do this again, so... And here are the end result of the cuts I was showing at the beginning. They're close enough for what I need them for, but that's a story for a different video. And if you want to know what it is, hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do leave a comment below, and I hope to see you again soon.